Hello everyone, how are you today? Really good to see you. Today we listen and repeat. Достар, бүгін біз сіздермен қызықты методиканы қолданамыз, яғни тыңдаймыз және қайталаймыз. Осылайша біз жаңа сөздерді сіздермен жаттаймыз. Жарай ма? Қазір экранға сөздер шығады. Сіздер міндетті түрде қайталап отырыңыздар. Мен қалай айтамын, тура солай. Жарай ма? Онда кеттік. No reason. No reason. Просто так. Без особой причины. No reason. So far, so good. Пока что все идет хорошо. So far, so good. Suit yourself. Suit yourself. Воля ваша. Делай, как знаешь. I think so. I think so. Я так думаю. I think so. I don't think so. Я так не думаю. I don't think so. Time is up. Time is up. Время вышло. Time is up. You will make it. You will make it. You will make it. Ты справишься. Long ago. Long ago. Давно. Бұрын, баяғыда. Long ago. No longer. No longer. Больше нет. Больше нет. No longer. On time. On time. Вовремя. On time. Out of date. Out of date. Устаревший. Ескі. Out of date. Сұрағы кеткен. Right away. Right away. Right away. Прямо сейчас. Right away. Speak too soon. Speak too soon. Говорить преждевременно. Ерте сөйлеп қою. Take time. Занимать время. Уақыт алады. Take time. Sooner or later. Sooner or later. Рано или поздно. Sooner or later. There is no hurry. There is no hurry. There is no hurry. Спешить некуда. There is no hurry. Time after time. Time after time. Раз за разом. Регулярно. Time after time. Time will tell. Time will tell. Время покажет. Time will tell. Wait and see. Wait and see. Поживем, увидим. Wait and see. Достар, осы фразалардың барлығын міндетті түрде дәптерге жазып, жаттап алыңыздар, және де бейнероликті басынан көріңіздер. Сіздерге тапсырма осы сөздерді жаттау, осы сөздермен сөйлемдер құрау, және де үй жұмысы ретінде жіберу. Бүгінге сабағым осымен бітті. Goodbye.
Excuse me, ma'am, but I think you're in my seat.
Oh, sorry about that.
Hey, Janice! What a surprise! It's me, Matt. We were classmates in high school.
Matt! Fancy meeting you here. Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been ages. I haven't seen you since graduation.
You look very different now. I almost didn't recognize you.
No wonder. For starters, I used to have braces in high school, so when I smiled, you would see metal over my teeth. I hated that. I had really bad acne. I had pimples all over my face.
It wasn't that bad. Don't be so hard on yourself.
And I was pretty plump. I've lost a lot of weight since then. I'm into sports now. I wish I had been more involved in the sports clubs in high school. I didn't have the motivation to put my heart into any sport. But you haven't changed a bit since high school. You look the same, but better.
That's nice of you to say. We had some fun times in high school. We did many foolish things.
That's true. I'm with you on that. Remember Mrs. Nesbitt's chemistry class when I had that funny accident?
You mean that explosion when you blew up your project?
Exactly. I really screwed up.
Well, these things happen. Luckily, no one got hurt. You didn't show up at our 10-year high school reunion, so I haven't heard from you since graduation.
Unfortunately, I wasn't able to make it to the reunion. It's so nice that you could catch up with all our classmates.
Yeah, actually, I have kept in touch with some of them over the years. Did you hear that Tom won $1 million at the lottery? And lost all the money in 2 years?
No way! You've got to be kidding me! How could that happen?
I don't know. Beats me. And did you know that Rob got married with Lindsay?
That figures. They've been in love with each other since 10th grade. Do they have any children?
Not that I know of. Do you still live in San Antonio?
No. I moved to Houston 8 years ago. What about you?
Yes, I still live there.
So, what have you been up to these past 12 years?
Well, I got a degree in finance. While in college, I met my husband, Nick. After we met, it was a whirlwind romance. We got married about a year after I graduated. We have 2 children now, Elizabeth and Danny.
Really? That's great to hear. How old are they?
Elizabeth is 3 and Danny is 5.
And where do you work?
After I graduated, I started working at a local bank. But all along, I knew finance was not my thing. I had always been into fashion and clothing, but my parents discouraged me to pursue this career. So I finally made up my mind to go for it. I quit my job and started doing tailoring from home. Then I rented a place and opened a tailor shop. I started from scratch and built it beautifully, nicely. Now I am about to open a boutique with my own creations.
You rock! I'm really happy for you. I think it takes a lot of guts to start such a business.
It has been a lot of work, but it's been worth it. I couldn't ask for more. It goes to show that it's never too late to change careers and pursue your passion.
I couldn't agree more.
How about you? What have you been up to all these years?
Well, I studied film and got my degree in cinematography. But filmmaking isn't all it's cracked up to be. I couldn't earn a living from the films I was making.
That sounds tough.
Tell me about it. I had to work all kinds of jobs for a while just to make ends meet. I painted people's houses, and I did some lawn maintenance. Then I worked as a photographer for a few years. I have been working on a film lately, but I don't know if it's going to be successful.
Just hang in there. The road to success is not easy. Hard work and patience always pay off big time. I hope you get the big break you need. Just keep going and hopefully you'll make it in the film industry.
Even if that doesn't happen, I can live with that. It won't be the end of the world if I don't make it. I'll do photography again. That's life. You win some, you lose some.
I can't argue with that.
I may not have the perfect career, but I have a wonderful family. I am a happy married man with 3 kids.
Lucky you. I couldn't be happier for you. Sounds like we've both been busy.
Yeah, time has flown by.